What is bioresonance especially effective for? In my 8 years of practice, we have had proven results with chronic fatigue syndrome, infertility, allergies, skin diseases, joint pain, sleep disorders, facial paralysis, heart issues, ovarian cysts, thyroid issues, chronic digestive issues, depression, and many more. As you already know, prevention is better than cure. For me, I always reminded myself to realign with my health maintenance plans whenever I start to sway away from it due to work, fun, or whatnot. I have to admit that making info videos for you actually keeps my own health alignment in check. But I also hope you can benefit more from our future videos to come.